Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to set up suppliers, items, or projects in FactWeb. Please note, this video is only applicable if you do not have an integration in place with an accounting system. If you added a supplier, item, or GL code manually and exported it to your accounting system when you already had an integration in place, the export will fail. If you are using an integration, please see the tutorial video on your specific integration. You can either add your suppliers, items, and projects in bulk or manually one by one. To add them in bulk, first go to your control panel, select supplier, item, or project, and hit the import button. Download the Excel template, use Excel to fill out the information you wish to import and save the file. Upload the completed template back into FactWeb and click Process. To add a supplier manually, open the control panel. Select the supplier option on the left-hand side, and over on the right, you should see an Add Item option. Here, you can enter your supplier code, supplier name, email, bank account number, and where required, assign a default GL code and/or a default approver. Please ensure that you keep the codes and names unique. Once you have completed your relevant fields, click on the Save icon at the top of the field list. To add an item, select the Item option on the left-hand side, and over on the right, click your Add Item. Again, you will have the relevant boxes to complete, and you can enter your item code, description, vendor's code, default price, and default GL code. Fill in the fields that are relevant to you, and again, keep your codes and descriptions unique. Once you have entered the information into the relevant fields, click on the Save icon at the top of the field list. Projects follow the same simple setup. Simply click on the Project option on the left, then Add Item on the right. The fields available are Project Code, Project Name, Project Type, Project Status Manager, Default GL Code, and Default Approver. Complete your relevant fields and press the Save icon at the top of your field list. With all three of these sections, you can complete different data on different records where it is applicable. For example, if we take a look again at the suppliers list, some suppliers have default GL codes and others do not. The same applies to default approvers. You choose which options are relevant for each scenario. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you.